walk with me, my loves, as I go for a walk to capture the beauty of the trees. I mean, can you see? I mean, it's so beautiful. Let's walk a little bit to the guest house. I mean, look at how the trees are, I don't know, they're sort of bending down, I guess, from the weight of the eyes. It is so freaking cold. I don't know that I want to walk all the way to my guest house over there. Okay, it is cold. My head is cold. My head is cold. What can you see? I love it. It is so peaceful and quiet. And I'm gonna walk into my, 47 or 45 acres forest so that you guys can see the trees. I hear them cracking and stuff. Zoe, come on, let's walk in to the forest. And you can see I swear a tree better not fall down on me. Woo! Okay. A tree better not fall down on me. Zoe! There's Zoe. Oh my God. And you can see some trees that fell again from the snow. Ooh, how about I get out of there? Okay, so you happy? We're gonna get out. Let's go towards a driveway and see how you can hear the trees groaning from the way, and some of them, the weight sort of pushed them down, Ooh la la. It is so cold. I mean, can we take a moment? Let me put on my glasses back again. Zoe, come on. Okay. Yeah, let's continue our walk, my loves. Yeah, it's so peaceful. I love it. Just don't let a tree fall on me. Let's take a walk into my forest. I mean, look at the trees. I wonder whether I can pull it down. I can. Look at all the trees that fell. Let's go in more. Oh God, it's so cold. Ooh. And look at these trees hanging. And go closer. I'm walking in. Sometimes I walk all the way down there. I love the trees. And I love being able to preserve them. Ah, la la. Oh la la. Oh God. I better go inside. My hands are feeling cold. Let me see if I can kick it and break it.